Hello there! In this lesson we will introduce you to how to get started in Adobe Premiere. Let's start by choosing a file. As you can see, I've already chosen mine. One of the most important things is the soundtrack. I always start by choosing the one that fits my idea the best, and then I will edit my clips based on the soundtrack. As soon as you choose your own file, start by trying to introduce it to the timeline. For now, you only need to know how to cut by pressing the letter C and how to select the cross by pressing the letter V. Now, just try to build your own story. I suggest you try to create keyframes based on the position and on the scale. Make sure your video is dynamic and have fun! I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson.